Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the photo in your gallery or Google Photos app and tapping the Edit pencil. This gets you straight into Tools. Once done, make sure Auto Enhance runs as a reference so you see what baseline changes it suggests. Next, you'll pick one primary adjustment, usually crop or exposure, because fixing composition first prevents wasted color work later. Move deliberately. Crop, then level, then exposure. Doing those in order saves time and avoids redoing earlier edits. Now you adjust exposure and color to make the image readable and natural. You should lower highlights to recover detail, raise shadows to reveal texture, then tweak exposure for overall balance. This preserves dynamic range. After that, increase contrast subtly and adjust saturation only as needed. Too much looks fake. Make color corrections with temperature and tint to remove color cast. If parts need different treatment, use the selective brush or linear gradient. That targets fixes without finish by sharpening and reducing noise. You should add only enough sharpening to enhance edges, then use noise reduction sparingly because it softens detail. Once satisfied, choose Save a Copy or Export at the highest quality setting you need, so the original remains unchanged. If something looks off, color shifts, banding, or over-sharpening, reset the edit and reapply changes in smaller increments. That helps you identify which slider caused the issue and prevents compounding errors. One tip: enable grid and one preview for final checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.